Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see how we can drag and drop row in a table. So we will be implementing a table in which I will show you and how you can do drag and drop row. So let's jump into the VS Code and start implementing this feature. Okay, so to work on this drag and drop, I need to install some package. So I will install the package right away. So I need first I need ant design to work with the table component. Then I need React DND in order to work with the drag and drop, and we need React DND HTML Hive backend. So this is the API which allow you to work with the React DND. So and one more package, immutability helper. We need immutability helper. So this helper function basically help you to mutate the copy of data without changing the original source. So this three package we need to work with the drag and drop in React.js. Okay, so let's wait for installation. It will take I think 1 minute to install these packages. So meanwhile I will create one folder. So I'll give drag and drop, and the file name will be index.js. Close all the file and open the app.js. Let's wait for installing all the packages. So we have installed all the packages. So React DND, HTML Hype backend, React DND, immutability helper, and design. Okay. So once install these packages, you need to come over here in index.js file, and we need to import the ant design ESS file here in order to work with the ant design component. So we need ant, go to dist and .css. Okay, so now start working on this index.js file. So I will import, so first close this one, and I will import, I need use state, I will use callback and use ref. And from ant design I will be using table component. Now from React DND we need couple of things, DND provider, use drag, use drop. Okay, and from React DND HTML5 backend, we need HTML5 backend in order to work with the React DND, and import update from immutability helper. So const drag drop for default drag drop return the class name I'm giving container margin top 5. Okay, so this is, and the rest of the thing I will write later. So we need to define type here first. Draggable body row we need to define function here. So it will accept some bunch of props which will be providing. So you will get to know later. So index move row class name style and rest props. Now const ref, we need reference, and drop. Use drop, not drag, use drop. So we'll accept type collect. So these are the some props which we need to define on top of that use drop. So const index drag index monitor dot get item if drag index is equal to index, then return empty object, else return is over, monitor is over, drop class name drag index. So these are some class name we are defining. Downward, drop over, upward, move row, item dot index, index. Now this some dependency we need to give, and that's it for use drop. Now we need to so this will be not is over, is it will be this will be is over, and use drag type item index collect monitor and is dragging monitor dot is dragging, and again we need to pass the index. Now drop ref now return tr ref class name is over, then drop class name style, need to give some style, cursor, move, and the rest of the style and rest of the props. So we have completed this function. Okay, now we need to define some dummy data for. First we need to configure the column. So I will configure the column. It will be title, data index, name, and key name. I will just copy couple of times. So this will be age, age. This will be address. Okay, so we have configured the column for the table. Now come to this function. So const data set data use state will define some dummy data. So names will be James, age give some 26, address will be something like, let's say, India. I will couple of times I will copy. I will change this name. Name will be John. Age will USA give 3. Alex age 32. Country gives UK. So const components row draggable body row. Now we need to define the move row. Const move row. So I will be using use callback. Drag index over index. Const drag row. set data, and I will be using the update that from immutability helper package. Drag index. So this is closing here, and we need to pass the add the data as a dependency on the use callback. Now come to here. Okay, we need to DND provider. We need and backend that HTML5 backend, and first we need table. So in table we need to pass first column, that is column configuration, and pass the data source. Sorry, data source, that is data. Okay, let's see whether we are getting first data or not. Okay, we need to use here in index.js file, sorry, app.js file. So drag drop. So VS could automatically import that drag drop component from this folder. Now let's see whether we are getting some data or not. I think server is running. Okay, it okay, so it's compiled and we got out some dummy data. Now we need to implement the drag and drop here. Okay, so everything is ready. We just need to pass here components on row, record index, move row. Okay, let's see. So okay, we are able to, I think, move the data in a table row. So we are able to implement the drag and drop row in a React.js with the help of React DND HTML5 backend API, and we have used and design component and one immutability helper package. So I hope you understand how you can drag and drop row in a table in any React application. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please please press the like button and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.